the 5th day of July, 1992. We're getting ready to leave Cherry Hill so we can go home and go to church. Heather and Sarah slept outside last night, and Joe went out and got in bed with them. Look at me, kids. There's Grandpa.
Take this, Grandma.
Just a minute. Tell Heather to look up here. Heather. Heather.
Don't want to ruin the tape, Grandma.
Where's Jovis?
He's hiding.
Tell him to get up here so we can get his picture. Where's Minty?
Oh.
Where's Minty?
Look at Grandma. Oh, baby, baby.
Minty.
She's starting Steve. She's starting Steve.
Minty, look at your mother.
Yeah, Monday and
Sunday
Sunday morning, and I look like.
Where's my spinner?
Right there.
Spinner. Where's Spinner? Hi, Spinner.
Hi, Grandma.
Love you. Spencer slept on the table last night. And the night before he slept on the table, got up in the middle of the night to go to the bathroom and went back and laid the sleeping bag up on the couch. He forgot where he was at.
He didn't know where he was at.
He's a good little boy. He's had a good time playing golf and swimming and playing games, and he's had a good time. What is that other game you played?
Air hockey.
Air hockey. He's a good boy. Nate and his friend came down for dinner yesterday.
Oh, that's enough.
All right, I'm going to get the kids outside. Kind of foul up here for a minute. Jovis? Jovis? Tuker?
Oh, Grandma?
Hello, Hedda.
Oh.
When Joe heard the girls were out here this morning, he just grinned from ear to ear. And he tiptoed outside by banging down the stairs. Where's the bottom to your pajamas, Jovis?
Hello, Daddy. Want to get in?
He'll be back. Today is July the 7th, 1992. Nathan and Jason are camping with us up at Timpanique, #1 spot. Nate and Jace have been buddies since they were 3 years old. That's how long they have been good friends. Did you guys bring your Superman capes? Well, did you? Apparently not. Is that a chipmunk that you're trapping, you guys? They've trapped this little guy. They feed him popcorn. They put popcorn underneath the box. He goes in there. They trip the box with this string and the stick. And then they let him go, and the little guy comes back for more. Jason? Hello.
What time is Joe and Brent supposed to be
Oh, why are you afraid the chipmunks won't come back?
there? Well, I just know that when Joe gets here, things are gonna quit. Either that or scare him out of the mountains.
They've got their little squirrel. There he goes. He's a fat little cuss. They've got popcorn under the box. Oh, oh, I've been taking pictures of him and didn't have the camera on.
Well, we might as well turn it off now.
I did. Aunt Phil came up for dinner this evening. What's today, the 8th? July the 8th, 1992, and Aunt Phil has Jason and Nate picking up pine cones so she can make some baskets for Christmas. Where's Jason? There's Aunt Phil and Grandpa. We just finished having tacos for dinner. Brent and Joe weren't able to come up tonight. Nene, look at your grandmother.
Hello, Nana.
Hello, my Nene.
Isn't that enough? Grandma, isn't that enough?
Oh no, you gotta get the whole sack full. Makes big
The whole
baskets.
sack full?
Come on.
Okay.
Look at me, Jason. Nate's making a bargain if he'll finish filling the bag if he gets his back tickled. Say hello to your grandma, Nene.
Hello, Grandma.
Good kids. They went on a hike today. Where was it you hiked? What was it called? In the meadow? 5 miles up the road and 5 miles down them. All these little jewels of pine cones. Wave to the camera, Phil. Grandpa.
Hello, Cameraland.
Nene.
What? Never in my life have I had to go camping and pick up pine cones.
You heard Aunt Phil say she'd treasure them.
Well, you know she's not going to use them all.
Are you going to use these, Phyllis, or what? She will use
She's
these.
just going to use them and throw. She'll take them home and throw them away.
No, she won't. Ooh, mosquito bit me. There's.
Let me get it.
There. Nate and Jace wanted to stay in the tent.
Yeah, no kidding.
We got to walk down the hill, and I don't want to trip, so. Didn't Nate fill his up, Phil?
No, he didn't.
Nate.
What?
Hey, he said Jason's was Jason filled his up. No, I really do. Okay. Should I flip my teeth?
Not even. Do it, Aunt Phil.
No.
Do it.
No, I'm a lady. Ladies don't do that.
Take your teeth out.
More like a part-time lady.
Coax her, Nate. She'll do it.
No, I won't.
Do it, Aunt Phil. We're gonna have to get a picture of your backside.
I won't do it. Jean, try to get some of these little ones. These will be good fillers.
Okay. I tried to get some tiny ones.
Oh, what a cute one.
They are cute little things, aren't they?
Huh?
They are cute.
Look at these two goons.
Nay, 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 nay. Yaya's nay, nay.
Poor thing can't even speak English. Look at the two of them. Poor things pick up pine cones for fun. Aunt Phil's quite a tall kid.
Look, these are the ones the squirrels have stripped.
We're all excited.
Long time.
So you stole mine then?
No, you've got yours.
Where's it at?
It's your house. It's just like ours.
Wave to the camera.